put food coloring and
Ice.
what else?
And ice.
Did we put ice?
I mean
in-
water.
We put water in the ice cube
Water
tray.
and food.
And
It's so.
what state of matter was the water when we put it in the ice cube tray?
Liquid.
It was a liquid. And we added a little food coloring to have special colored ice cubes. But so we put the water in the freezer overnight, and the freezer is super cold. It's super cold. So because it was so cold, I think they froze overnight and turned into
Ice cubes.
which are solid.
Ice cubes.
So I wanted to do a little experiment. Now, too bad it's kind of cloudy outside, but I was thinking we could put one of these bags
That's what I was
near the window. That's what you were thinking, Zaki? So I'm going to put one
And then
by the window.
And then the dad went
And then,
They don't like milk tea.
can somebody think of another place to put one?
Ooh.
I wanted to come up with predictions
What's gonna happen?
of what's going to happen to the 3 different color ice cubes based on where they are. And what's going to affect their state of matter.
I don't know.
So let's start with the green ones. The green ones are the ones that I put near the window. And then we'll do
Blue.
Yeah, that's my favorite.
Yeah. Cause mine.
I like red.
Mine too.
Alright. So what do you think is, let me make sure these are the green ones.
It is.
Yeah.
It red. It red. You like it in green right there.
You said the color.
Oh, you want to put red
Karan, what do you think is going to happen to the green ice cubes near the window? You think when the sun comes out, they'll melt?
I'll agree with that too.
No, it's not gonna melt.
That's his prediction.
I don't think it's gonna melt.
Yeah, these are just, I like what Javante said, these are just predictions. So they're not necessarily going to be right or wrong. We're just making predictions to
There's no way.
guess at what's going to happen.
I mean, it won't matter. It won't matter.
No, we just make it up.
Lanaya, what else?
It's gonna turn cold and taste smooth.
You think they're going to be colder and smoother? Okay. Do you guys think that the color of the ice cubes is going to affect them
It
at
will
all?
turn back to.
I'm going to call them back up. What do you think, Saki?
I think the sun and the gas will make the ice cubes get smaller and smaller and smaller and smaller and make it turn into water again.
That's a good observation. I'm going to put that for the green ice cubes. Can you say that again?
The sun will make the ice cubes get smaller and smaller and smaller and smaller.
Don't fix
And then it will melt like they was up in like they was in an ice tray. They will be like water like they was in an ice tray.
You think they'll go all the way to liquid like they were when we first put it in the ice tray? Alright, what about the blue ice cubes? Where did we put the blue ones?
over there.
Oh yeah, near the lips. And I think there's a lot of light from the classroom on them. I wonder if that's going to affect them at all. What do you think, Torin? classroom lights. We'll see.
Because it's close.
Looks like these are already melting.
I think I'll go for the green.
I
go for the green.
So it looks like there
I go for the green.
are still some solid
Look at
ice
you.
cubes.
I go for the green.
Yeah, there's some liquid forming too.
Green is the best.
Alright, now nobody answered my question. Do you think that the color of the ice cubes is going to affect their melting rate?
Yes. No.
Raise your hand if you think yes. And raise your hand if you think that the color won't affect. So I'm just going to write a little note at the bottom.
Because the color don't matter. A color is a color. Oh, yeah. It doesn't matter if it's wrong or right. If the color would affect state of
Alright, so these are our predictions. But now we're just going to leave those ice cubes where they are for a little while. And we'll go back and check our predictions. Yeah, we'll check on them. But for now, I wanted to kind of describe the states of matter a little bit so we can get to know them. That's a good observation, Zykeep. So Zykeep said something about the oxygen in the bag, and the ice cubes aren't getting that much oxygen because the bag is sealed closed. So he thinks that's going to make them melt faster. Is that what you said? So now I wanted to just come up with some examples of the different states of matter.
So, solid, liquid.
What's the last one?
Yes. It's gas.
So can somebody come up with an example of one of these? Yes, Lanai?
Like solid is like if the solid is something that is hard.
Something that's hard, such as, can you see anything in the classroom that's a salad?
The board.
Yeah, the board. The board.
That board? Yeah.
Even a book.
The carpet.
The solid. The carpet
is made out of wood.
Oh, carpet is like the rocks. The walls.
Adrian.
Water.
Water is a solid, liquid, or gas?
Solid.
You think it's a solid? But what's in the Brain Pot video, they talked about characteristics of solids, liquids, and gases. And I remember them saying that solids they're usually harder and they have a certain form and shape. But when water moves around and it kind of takes the shape of whatever container it's in, what type of matter is that? Jaren, can you help?
A liquid.
I knew it was
It's a
liquid.
liquid, yeah.
I thought it was gas. It's not no gas if you paid attention to the video.
Alright, and then, have you ever seen your parents boiling water for tea or for coffee, and there's that steam that's coming out?
Yes.
What state of matter is that steam? Jatwana? Yeah.